I live in the mountains of Colorado. At just under 8,000 feet elevation, which is the same as Machu Picchu, I consider this land a sacred site. The crystalline rivers, the endless forests. There is an ancient magic here. When you are in a land that is untouched by man, everything feels more sacred, more palpable. You feel a deeper connection to the earth, to God, when you are in a place like this. Hi, baby. Mwah. Got each other to keep each other warm.
How much snow?
God, I love it. Man, it's gonna be a crazy one too this year.
This is what happens when I tell him not to drive deeper into the snow. Yeah, he insists.
But, main thing, we have a shovel, all-wheel drive, back up, drive out.
Wait, come on, man. Look at him.
Yes.